In this video, I'll show you how you can find your Airtable API key. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So the first step is go to top right corner and click on your account, then account. Then from here scroll to this API section and click on go to developer hub. Now click on create token. From here create token. And you can name your token. So for example, test. You can add scopes here. So let's say you want create, edit and delete record comments. I'm going to choose it. And then you can add your workspace or base. I'm going to choose my base. And then click on create token. Invalid name token must be unique. So I'm going to add some numbers. And as you can see, it's working. This is your API key, so you can copy it. And that's how you can find your API key in Airtable. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.